For more, let's bring in Jonathan Corpina of Meridian Equity Partners. Great to see you, Jonathan. How you doing?
Great. Thanks for having me today.
So do you think, as we stand, that we can have a blowout December as well, or the fact that we've had a good start to this quarter kind of makes it less likely?
I think it's less likely. I think investors have gotten very, complacent with the way the market has traded all year long, and now they're really looking forward to what's going to happen in 2020. A lot on our calendar that we know is coming down. We've got to continue to talk about Brexit, U.S.-China, elections, and I think if you're a portfolio manager or if you're a mainstream investor, you should be very happy where you are so far in the year and try to stay out of any trouble in December.
We've been hearing a lot of the companies now starting to bring up tariffs and the impact to the bottom line. It's something that we've been talking about for a year and a half. How important now is getting this phase one trade deal signed and in the books, and any anticipation over a phase two, or for now it's just like, let's look at this short-term goal and move on?
It's very important that we get there. I think we've been having the same conversation for such a long period of time. Getting some information, some transparency is going to be very important. If you go back 2 quarters ago, listening to some of the corporate earnings calls, not really talking too much about the impact of China. Last quarter, we definitely heard it a lot more, which is good that companies are bringing this into the forefront and saying, we don't know how this is going to play out in the next few quarters, but it's important that we continue to focus on it. Getting this deal done, or some form of a deal, would be helpful for our markets. I don't think it's going to change our market patterns that we've seen. It's already priced in, but getting nothing done is going to be a problem.
Lindsey, how do you think about the seasonality aspects and how we're set up for December?
Yeah, I mean, October and November have been very strong months together. The S&P 500 is up about 5.9%, which is very strong. Usually December is another good month for the market, but we could have seen some of that pulled forward into the October and November period. It kind of makes sense for the market to take a little bit of a breather now, given the run that we've had.